Hello friends, welcome to Deepika's recipes. Today we are going to make mixed veg pickle. It's a super easy and quick recipe. It's my grandmother's winter special recipe, so let's get started. In a mixing jar, add 1 cup cauliflower florets, 1 cup chopped capsicum, 1 cup chopped carrots, half cup chopped green chilies, and half cup chopped ginger. To this add half cup lemon juice. Add 3 teaspoons salt and mix well. Close the lid and keep it aside overnight to absorb the salt and lemon juice. Dry roast 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, transfer to a plate and let it cool. Dry roast 2 teaspoon mustard seeds. Keep it aside and let it cool. Grind the roasted spices and keep it aside. Heat oil in a pan and switch off the gas. You may require 4 teaspoons of oil. Now add grounded masala, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and Asafoetida. Mix it well. Now add the masala into the marinated mixed veg mixture. Mix it well. Close the lid and let the pickle mature for 1 to 2 days. Spicy, tangy veg pickle is ready to be served with rice, chapati, fulkas or parathas. Please like, share and subscribe to Deepika's recipes. Try this recipe this winter and enjoy.